Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding boat. This is session 18 of C programming language. Today we are going to learn assignment operator. So let's begin the session. Assignment operator works from right to left. Suppose we have one statement, integer a is equals to 10 semicolon. Here integer is data type, a is variable, assignment is operator, 10 is value and semicolon is end of the statement. Now this expression or this statement will work from right to left, means 10 is a value which is stored into a variable nothing but a. Now assignment operator is used to assign value on its right side to the variable on its left side. What does it mean? Assignment operator is used to assign a value which is at right hand side of assignment operator to a variable which is at left hand side of the assignment operator. Now in assignment operator, left side operand must be a variable only. Now, we can have either value or an expression at right hand side of assignment operator. We cannot store string into a variable using assignment operator. To store string into a variable, we need to make use of strcpy function. Prototype, nothing but declaration of strcpy function, is available in string.h header file. Now let's see some examples. So here is our program with name assignment.cpp. So hash include stdio.h header file, hash include conio.h header file, void main function, then block of main function. Inside block of main function we will take array of character a with size 20 and will give assignment operator with value the coding both string end of the statement. Now we will print the value of a percentage s format specifier comma variable a end of this statement. Here print f. Let's save the code and let's compile the code. Let's execute the code. But before that we should use clrscr to get the output of current program only. By erasing previous programs output GetCH to hold the user screen or console. Now function F2, function alt F9 and function control F9. Function F2, function alt F9, function control F9. Here is the output value of A is the coding board. Now if we try to store this value in next line, then it will not work. Let's see how. variable a equal to value the coding board. Value of a is a. Let's store and let's compile. Here is the error. To overcome this problem, we have one solution, that is strcpy. strcpy function. Here variable a, in this variable I am storing value the coding board and end of the statement. Okay, but prototype nothing but declaration of strcpy function is stored in hash include string.h header file. Now let's save the code, let's compile the code and let's run the code. Here is the output. Value of a is the coding board. In this way, to store string into a variable, we can make use of strcpy function. If we are storing value nothing but string in array of character in next line of its declaration. Okay, now let's move on. Multiple assignment is possible in C programming language. For example, integer a comma b comma c then semicolon for end of the statement. Now next line, a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to 10 semicolon. Now in above example, all three variables a, b, c will hold value 10. Let's check this example. Here we have hash include stdio dot h header file, hash include conio dot h header file, void main function and block of main function. In this block we have integer data type a comma b comma c. Three variables we have declared of integer data type. Now in next line, a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to value 10 and end of the statement. Now let's print values of a, b and c. Printf value of a is equals to a and here percentage d format specifier or conversion character. Similarly, we can write other statements. Here printf value of b format specifier percentage d and value of variable b. Now here in message c format specifier percentage d for storing integer value and here variable c to print. Now let's check the output. Function f2, function alt f9 and function control f9. Here okay, we need to make use of clrscr function for erasing previous programs output, and to hold user screen we will use getch function. And here function f2, function alt f9, function control F9. Here is the output. Value of A is equals to 10, value of B is equals to 10, value of C is equals to 10. But creating some confusion, we need to print all these things in separate lines. How we can do that? We have solution for that, and solution is escape sequence. What is escape sequence? This is slash n. Slash n means new line. Okay, now let's save the code, let's compile the code, let's execute the code. Here it is. Value of A is equals to 10, value of B is equals to 10, value of C is equals to 10. In this way, multiple assignment is possible in C programming language. Now let's move on. What is use of clear screen? Why we use clear screen function? To clear previous program output from output window, nothing but user screen. User screen is also known as command prompt. Simply we can say console as well. We make use of clrscr. Now clrscr means clear screen. Now prototype is nothing but declaration of clrscr function is available in console input output header file. Console input output header file, nothing but conio.h. conio.h means console input output header file. Now let's move on. What is slash n? Just now we have seen slash n is escape sequence through which we can separate lines, means print next content in new line. Slash n is escape sequence which is used to take cursor to next line or new line. Now what is getch? We have already learned what is getch. To get output directly without pressing Alt F5, we use getch function, or we can say that to pause output console, nothing but user screen, until a key is pressed, we make use of getch function. Getch is used to read a character from keyword. Getch does not use any buffer to store the input character. The enter character is immediately returned. The entered character is immediately returned without waiting for the enter key. The getch can be used to accept hidden inputs like password. For example, ATM PIN number. We can make use of getch. The most important thing I am going to repeat once again. The entered character is immediately returned without waiting for the enter key. Okay, no need to press enter key. Once we press any character, that that character immediately will return. Okay, and another thing is getch does not use any buffer to store input character. Now getch belongs to console input output header file. What does it mean? Getch is a function whose prototype nothing but declaration, or we can say definition, stored in or written in console input output header file. What is console input output header file? conio.h is console input output header file. Now note, in dev C++ and code blocks compilers, clear screen and getch does not work. The reason is these compilers, code block and dev C++ are 64-bit compilers which are designed for Windows based applications. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.